G'day guys, Brett here from GCG Turbochargers Australia. We recently just received the first batch of the newest addition to the Garrett Motion Boost Club line of performance turbochargers. We've got the GBC35-700 and the GBC37-900, i.e. 700 horsepower and 900 horsepower. First ones in Australia to land these into our warehouse, so we're excited to offer these out to you guys now. Direct from our sales team. The Garrett Boost Club lineup are a high-performance journal bearing turbocharger in a cost-effective price range. GBC turbochargers combine modern, high-flowing aerodynamics with robust journal bearing rotating groups to make a powerful, affordable turbo package. So let's unbox them and see what we have. This is the GBC35-700. This is our GBC37-900. These are sold as super cores, so we do pair these with the turbine housing combinations, which do differ from T3 to T4 on both models. In the kit, you do get gaskets, clamps, retaining nuts and bolts, so full installation package. And we have a beautiful investment cast turbine housing. T4 in this instance, dual entry. This is the 0.95 ratio for the GBC37. As you can see, very nicely made, V-band outlet. Consistent with all the G series, GDX, and now GBC larger frame turbochargers. We have on both of these turbochargers the GDX Gen 2 compressor wheel design for aerodynamics. We have modern turbine wheel design, again for flow and dynamics, with the interchangeability between all the turbine housing options. Internally we have a 360-degree thrust, which allows you to run that boost level required to make the power out of these turbochargers. They are a journal bearing turbocharger, not ball bearing as the G series and the GTX series. That's where some of the cost savings come from. And hence, not ball bearing, we don't need water cooling, so these are an oil cooled only turbocharger. Going to the front of the turbocharger, you can see here a machined boost signal port already in place. It does have a plug in it, so if you don't want to use that, you can just leave the plug in. We do recommend though, you do measure your boost pressure. We would also probably consider that you would look at the speed of the turbocharger as well with a reference for a speed sensor. Again, back to the turbine housing, they do come in T4 and T3 options only at this point in time. These are common to the market, and a lot of manifold manufacturers rely on the T3, T4 platform. All housings are the V-band outlet, as I said, so ready to use. Now we would pair this normally with a good 50mm wastegate. As you can see here, we have the Garrett GBW50, nice little compact unit, water cooled, V-band in, V-band out. So these turbochargers suitable for a built 2-litre like an SR, definitely an RB, RB26, RB30 package, your 1J, your 2J Toyota packages, and a nice responsive rotary 13V application. All would work very well on a twin turbo setup, on a V8 LS setup, where you're looking for an economical solution to get your turbocharger going. If you do go for the 35 model, it is interchangeable and upgradable to the 37 model, so they do have that flexibility to uprate should you need more power down the track. These are in stock now, ready to ship out. Guys, jump online, you can buy directly from our web store, and have a great day.